Hey guys, and welcome to another Call of Duty video. In this video I'll show you guys all the new stuff that came out in Season 5, all the maps, guns, and all that other kind of stuff. I also have a nuclear gameplay that I got with the new assault rifle. I'll be showing the gameplay first, and then towards the end of the video I'll show you guys all the extra stuff that came out. If you guys enjoyed the video and want to support me, make sure to like, comment, and maybe even share this video with a friend. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hostiles pipeline established overhead.
War machine ready for use. Hard ready to commence overflight.
Boss has one on mission. Sensor number. Flush the enemy out.
Enemy deployed with a hit mic.
Enemy counter spy plane inbound. We're pulling ahead. Покажите им класс.
The overflight was hot. Tuck 'em out.
Hostile spy plane established overhead.
Your field mic has been destroyed. Spy plane
Loyalty to the party. Loyalty to the motherland. Victory.
Loot the corpses. Prep for evac.
And Yes, they added slums. Let's fucking go.
Stop lying.
Let's
man.
go,
You're
bro.
lying. You're lying.
Alright, let's wait for this
You're actually
countdown.
lying.
Let's wait for this countdown. 37 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
4,
2,
3,
1.
2.
Ends in 55 days. Season 5. Here we go. Unused
What a bite.
tokens. Welcome to Battle Pass. Season 5. That's a cool symbol. There we go. Alright, time to buy the Battle Pass. There we go. Purchasing. Battle Pass purchase. Oh my god.
Fuck, I need to go to sleep. I gotta do the fucking letter.
Alright, so
dude.
what is
Fuck
in this battle pass? I got the bonus skin that I just got, this chick, this weird dude. Double XP tokens, cool. Nice wood skin, I like that one. Oh my gosh. That's actually a
Motherfuckers gonna
nice
do a battle
revolver
pass
skin.
review for
Ooh.
YouTube.
Not a bad execution either. What is this? Oh, this is the new assault rifle, isn't it? Yeah, I think. I could be wrong. Shotgun. Oh, this is the new shotgun. Wait, no, these are blueprints. What the hell am I talking about? I think. I don't know.
Hi.
Okay, here's the first new gun. The Tech 9. That's actually a pretty cool skin. Street Sweeper.
Wait, if I buy this, wait, does that mean I unlock the street sweeper if I get the battle pass?
Not exactly. This is a nice skin too. I like this.
That's gay.
What is this?
Wait, Cold War came out in 2020?
Legendary blueprint? Oh, yeah. That's a nice, cool.
What the
Oh
fuck?
my god, I want that calling card.
Dude, it's been hella long then. God damn.
400 tier skin and Tech 9. Not a bad thing. They got anything new to the store? Oh, yep, here's one of the new, majiggities.
Battle pass bonus?
What the hell is this? Ah! Ah! That's a little uncomfortable. Season 5. Oh my god, it's an anime thing. That's dope, I like that. Zombies ones is kind of cool too. 20 prestiges. Ooh, that one is sick. Alright, let's take a look at the new maps. Let's see this new assault rifle. Oh, this sight is not gonna fly. So, take that off. And put the macro LED and see what that looks like. I do like the recoil, to be fair.
Assume all contacts are
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's not as slow as the other assault rifle. Not too bad. Some looks kind of play it, like, I don't know, like grayed out. Looks nice though. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 for the body. What about headshots? 3 headshots.
Combat bow
Interesting.
ready for use.
It deals a lot of damage though.
free for all. Green light, green light.
Ooh. Wait. This part right, okay, this is just bringing me Black Ops 1 vibes. What are jumping points? Oh, they don't blow up like they did in Black Ops 1. Can you do anything with this? All I hear is the fucking numbers from Black Ops 1 over here. Look at this. Crazy. There's a third entry though. Oh. What's over here? Oh. This is like the flanking side of the map. Yeet!
Yo, Lucy, ready for this cross? Are you?
Ed?
Oh, dude, I even put the hair really sassy on that cross, my bro.
Bro, I just got a frenzy kill! That was a shotgun, bro! I told you the fucking Malu or whatever Hogger's way better.
Let's go, Hams.
I'm doing so bad right now.
my god!
That was a cross map, right?
Yeah, but with the normal grenade launcher, I just shot it straight up and it literally took like a good 10 seconds for it to hit.
No, is there another attack on the helicopter? It is. He's coming.
Hey, I got a kill chain, let's go!
Like a Hellcat.